There is nothing like a cash flow crisis to create an enormous amount of stress for business owners. If you're in that category of managing your cash flow from day to day, of going through business growth but actually not being able to understand what investment or what money the business needs in order to grow, if you're running week by week and getting to the point where you're constantly doing ATO payment plans in order to pay your BAS, you have a cash flow problem in your business, and it's something that you can manage much, much better if you have a process, if you have a tool, if you have that built into your business as a weekly protocol. You can avoid the stress and the burden of cash flow crisis. We're running a one-day workshop where you will sit down and build your cash flow specific tool. So this is designed for your business, and you'll go through the process of creating this cash flow forecast that you can then embed into your business and manage on an ongoing basis. We're going to teach you the levers that you can pull. So these are the things when the cash flow crisis is looming, the things that you can do to quickly overcome it without having to invest or put money into the business. There are things you can do, and often cash flow is about that management. So looking at how you manage it on a week-to-week basis. And if you're doing well from a cash flow, you might have excess cash, but what do you then do with it to make it work better for you? We're going to unpack all of these issues, and at the end of it, you'll walk away with a cash flow tool that you will embed into your business with a process to make sure that you don't have that financial stress going forward in your business.